you. I'm scared.
Oh, my ears just popped.
Oh, we're already moving. We're on floor 13.
You didn't know we were moving?
No.
We're on the fastest elevator in the world.
10 meters per second.
Doesn't even feel like it's going that fast.
Wow.
Your ears haven't popped yet? Like,
Oh,
you
mine-
don't
they
feel the
did.
pressure in your
No,
ears?
they did.
My ears are popping. Oh, look, it's showing the build. Yeah, they said that they keep it dark so that when you get to the top, it's so amazing. Oh, my ears.
Okay, we are now at floor 97,
Already?
99,
100.
100. We are 100 stories in the sky.
Does not feel like we've barely moved.
Now.
Except my ears
Yeah, the ears.
know that we've moved.
Oh, it's above us too.